Hello, dear children. You know that we are continuing reading lesson number 2, Tenali meets Babar. So, in our previous session, we studied uh, how Tenali arrived. Tenali was asked to go to Delhi by that king of Vijayanagar, Krishna Deva Rai. So, Tenali went with that messenger to Delhi. Okay, now later on what happened, let us try to see from here. Okay, all of you please open your book at page number 15 and try to read with me. I am trying to read out the paragraphs for you. All of you please listen carefully and try to learn to read out this lesson, read out the sentences properly. Okay. When Babur heard that Tenali Raman had arrived, he said to his courtiers, "You all know he is a very witty man. However, if I find anyone laughing at his jokes, that person shall be punished." So, what happened? All of you can understand when this Tenali Raman arrived at Delhi, Babur alerted all his courtiers. Courtiers means what? This people, those who live in the court of the kings, are called courtiers. So, in the king's and emperor's palace, or in his office, I think you may say that is the office of the king where he was from. So that place, that is called court of the king, where he will decide the different issues, etc. So the people, those who sit in the court in front of the king, they are all called the courtiers. They may be the commander in chief, they may be ministers, and all other people, those who usually stay in the court of the kings, are called the courtiers. I think all of you understand this one. So now he warned all the people, those who are in the court. Okay, what did he say? That this Tenali Raman is a very witty fellow, and he will try to make you laugh, and if any one of you laugh at his activity, then you will be punished. So like that way he threatened everybody. Okay, he gave a warning to everybody. Then what happened, let us see. At the royal court, Tenali tried many antics. Okay, so you see, one word is given, antic. Antic means what? It is, the meaning is given here. All of you please try to notice. All the meanings are here. So antic means funny and unusual behavior. So you see, this antic means funny and unusual behavior. That is normally not found with the people. So that is unusual thing. So he tried to make the people laugh. That is why he showed many antics. Okay, but no one smiled. So even if Tenali tried to make them laugh, no one even smiled. Okay, so he said many amusing, witty, and wise things, but to no effect. So he said many things, but no result was seen. Nothing came out. All of you were keeping silent. So let us see. 15 days passed by, but all his efforts to make people laugh failed. So in that same way, 15 days were spent. 15 days went away, but nobody laughed at him at all, because they were warned, they were threatened. If they laugh, then they would be punished. So because of the fear of being punished, they kept themselves reserved. They did not want to laugh at all. Okay, Tenali understood that something was amiss. So something was wrong. So you can see the meaning of the word something was amiss, means that is given by the side. You can see that is something was wrong. So he realized that the Mughal courtiers were deliberately keeping a somber face. So they were keeping a somber face. So they are deliberately keeping a somber face. Deliberately means knowingly, intentionally. They are trying to keep themselves serious. So they are behaving in this way knowingly, they are not behaving usual way. Okay, like that way he understood this one. Next, what happened? Let us see. Tenali knew that defeat would mean losing prestige and honor for Vijayanagar as well as his own position there. So, if he get defeated there, if he fails to make them laugh and cannot win the heart of the people, then it would be a defeat for not only for the kingdom from where he has come. That is not only for the Vijayanagar kingdom, but it will also affect to his own personal position there. So he thought of a plan. So what did he do? Let us try to see here. So Babur was in the habit of going for a ride on his horse every morning. So he knew that Babur was going for a ride every morning. So he would be accompanied by two of his ministers. So two of the minister will be going with him. Accompanied by means they will go with this two minister will go with Babur every morning. Okay, the minister's job was to carry pouches of gold coins to distribute to the poor on the instruction of the king. So the job of these ministers were to carry the pouches. Pouches means what? Small containers of cloth, etc., where gold coins can be kept. So you may say these are the purse like something. So they were carrying the purses with the gold coins to distribute to the poor at the instruction of the king. So it was the habit of the emperor to go in the morning for a morning ride on the horse, and wherever he was seeing anybody poor or needy people, he was instructing his minister to give some of the gold coins to those poor people. So it was a habitual thing. It was a regular thing for the emperor. So what happened? Let us see. One day, Tenali disguised himself as an old laborer with a spade on his shoulder and a mango sapling in his hands. So what did he do? You will see. Tenali disguised himself. Disguised means what? Dressed up himself in a different way. So if you dress up yourself in a different appearance, then that is called you are in a disguised. You hide yourself and show up something what actually you are not. Like that way, if you dress up, then you will be called you are in disguise. So similar way, this Tenali Raman hid himself under the cover of a new dress up, and he disguised himself to be an old laborer and with a spade on his shoulder. I think all of you know old laborer. He looked like a very old this labor community person, and also he carried a spade on his shoulder. Spade means what? That is an instrument to dig the soil. So I think all of you have seen the spade. People used to dig the ground using this instrument. Okay, he carried the spade on his shoulder, and also he carried one mango sapling. Having surveyed Babur's route closely, Tenali found a spot by the Jamuna where he knew Babur would see him. So what did he do? Having surveyed Babur's route, he examined. Usually Babur go to which place? He tried to find out everything. That means he found out every information about this route where the Babur usually go to travel or go for the morning ride on the horse. So after collecting all the information, he chose a spot. He found a spot by the Yamuna. Yamuna means that is name of a river in Delhi, and this Babur was usually going to that Yamuna river most of the time, and he selected a spot where Babur can see him easily. So he decided there and he stayed there. When Tenali spotted Babur approaching, he began to dig the ground. So you see, he was waiting for Babur to come there, and when he saw Babur is coming towards him, approaching means coming towards him, he began to dig the ground. So then what happened? Babur was surprised to see an old man digging the ground. Babur, when he saw that the old man is digging the ground, Babur got surprised. Then what happened? That we will try to learn in the next session. For today, all of you please try to learn up to this much and try to learn the meanings of the words that are given here. Antique, something was amiss, keeping somber face, all that one. All of you please try to learn it properly. So I hope all of you are watching this one. So thank you for watching this.